and welcome to the Joy of Yoga. Today is our third video in our Yoga Trapeze for Beginners challenge. We're going to focus on stretching in this video, so go ahead and hop into the fabric, pulling the fabric above your hips and just below your bottom. Then we're going to take the straps to the side, so as we rock back, the straps won't get in the way. Make sure you take your feet wide, bringing them towards your face. Then once they're in front of the fabric, wrap around the front, tucking your toes behind. Once you're secure, drop back, releasing the straps and letting your arms hang or grabbing opposite elbows. If you feel secure here, you can start to twist to the left and then the right. Coming back to center, go ahead and take your hands behind your back, clasping your fingers. Keep your elbows slightly bent, gently pulling the palms apart, letting the hands reach towards the earth. Then release the hands. Reaching for your straps, go ahead and unwind your feet, coming to sit back up to take a rest. If at any point you get too much of a blood rush, go ahead and just hang out until the blood settles back down and you're ready to drop back. If you're new to inversion, it will take some time to build up your upside down tolerance. Once you're ready, hang back upside down by taking the straps out of the way. Go ahead and unwrap one leg, keeping the opposite leg tucked. Bend your knee behind you, grabbing your ankle with both hands. Gently push your ankle into your hands so that it pulls your shoulders behind you. Reach your tucked leg nice and long up towards the sky. Back of the neck is open, scalp reaching towards the earth. Then go ahead and switch sides by retucking the bent leg, untucking your opposite leg, bending the knee behind you, clasping the ankle with both hands. Press your feet into the hands as you reach your straight leg up towards the sky. Back of the neck is long, scalp reaching towards the earth. Then go ahead and reach back up, unwrap both legs, and rest. Also, we got a new drone, so let us know how you like the footage. Then once you're ready, go ahead and rock back once more. It's okay if you want to start by tucking your legs first so you feel secure, or you can keep them dangling towards the earth. If your feet are tucked, go ahead and untuck your legs, bending both knees behind you, grabbing each ankle with your hands. Coming into a gentle bow pose here, you can keep it passive or press your ankles into your hands once more, keeping the back of the neck long to make it more of an active stretch. If this is too much for you, you can always go back to the first hang that we did, or just hang out until the next pose. Then when you're ready to come up, go ahead and grab your straps, taking a moment. Some nice deep breaths, breathing down towards your feet. Then we're going to start to turn to the side. Go ahead and pick up one leg, putting the foot in the middle of the fabric, and then place your other foot to match. We're going to come into a butterfly position here, feet together, knees wide. You can hold your ankles and try to lengthen your back up, heart reaches up, collarbones are broad. Slightly tuck your chin back and reach the top of your scalp up. You can rest your hands on your knees or do whatever feels good for you here. Breathing deep into the hips, into the groins. Then when you're ready, you can press into the fabric and straighten your legs as much as they'll go. Try not to force anything here. The hammock will start to help give you a little pressure back so you get a little bit of a deeper stretch. You can hold your ankles, your knees, or just rest your hands in your lap. Deep breaths all the way down the back of the hamstrings into the feet. You can pull the fabric towards you to make it a little more intense, or just hang out. Then when you're ready, go ahead and sit back towards the front, taking your legs in front of you. Grab the longest strap and then start to move the handle to the side, widening the fabric so you can place your heel in. Then go ahead and repeat for the other leg. Once your feet are secure, gently slide your hips off of the fabric so the fabric comes just below your shoulder blades. You don't want the fabric all the way up in your armpits because that might get a little tight or uncomfortable. So you want to make sure that the shoulder blades are supported. You can let your hips drop towards the earth. Clasp your fingers behind your neck, letting your elbows bend out to the side as your head drops back, arching your back, feet wide. And then when you're ready, you can bring your feet together, just hanging out here, relaxing. Then when you're ready, go ahead and sit up. Take your time. You can slowly step one foot out and then the other. Walk around to the back of your hammock facing forward. Grab the fabric, hips distance apart, push down on the fabric, keeping your arms pressing out wide as you jump and get your hips over the fabric. You want your hip bones over the fabric, not inside. Keep your legs wide and heavy as though you're trying to do a deep forward fold. You can grab opposite elbows here. Maybe try your unusual way of grabbing elbows. Then you can even reach towards your ankles or make peace fingers and grab your big toes, coming into a straight leg forward fold. Let your head hang long, back releasing, shoulders releasing. For added challenge, you can press up and try to balance in a bird position. Feet slightly dropped below your hips, heart lifting up and out, collarbones broad. Then go ahead and hop down, step one foot into the fabric, and then as you pull yourself up, step the other foot in to match. Pull your hips close as your knees bend out to the side behind the fabric. And reach both arms through the straps as though you were putting on a shirt. With your shoulders in front of the straps, you can keep your feet just below your hips, heart lifting up. Your hands can come to your knees or forward fold, releasing the fabric. Again, grab opposite elbows. Deep breaths, releasing the shoulders, the neck, the back. And then when you're ready, go ahead and reach up back behind you. You're going to have to kind of walk your hands up the fabric as you slowly sit up and then stepping outside the fabric. Now we're going to turn around away from our fabric and hop back in. This time we're going to take the fabric all the way up to our scalp as we lay back, and the fabric a little bit down our mid-thighs. You can then step your feet into the fabric, feet together, knees wide, resting in this cradle position. Breathe deep into your whole body, maybe close your eyes or soften your gaze. Feeling supported here, allowing yourself to rest. Take as much time as you'd like to here. When you're ready, you can slowly start to sit back up, taking your time, and then hopping out. Thank you so much. Be sure to like and subscribe for more aerial, acro, or hatha yoga videos and more. Namaste.